How to create a TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to create a TikTok account, you need to go ahead and install the TikTok application on your mobile device. Go ahead and launch it and then open the sign up page for TikTok instead of login. Then after you'll get different options like signing up with your phone number in the top, then continuing with your email address, your Facebook account, or directly with your Google account. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and use my Google account that I've already logged in on this device. Tap on continue with Google, and you'll get the list of the Google accounts that you can go ahead and choose one. Tap on continue, which is highlighted in pink color. Now you can go ahead and create a nickname for your account, or you can tap on skip in the top left corner of your screen. And you'll be instantly signed up with a new TikTok account on your device. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.